What's going on, YouTube? Good morning. Gonna head to a car wash and get the charger cleaned up. Saturday, I got Saturday off. I'm usually off on the weekends, but I've been working every weekend now, and today they say, hey, go ahead, take a day off. So today, nice day outside, really nice day outside. So heading down to a car wash, and we'll see what comes out of these. Hopefully I can get this guy nice and clean. Sorry that I'm not looking at the camera. As you can tell, I'm driving. I don't want to put any dents on this thing. It's only been like a couple of months since I have it. So anyways, hope you guys are doing all right. I'm gonna try and upload more often. I know I uploaded a couple of videos in the beginning, and then it was like a month or so in between one video and the other. I don't think I can upload every day though, because of my schedule. It won't allow me to do something like that. But I'm gonna try and stay more active. I don't want you guys to get bored. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. That's dirty as hell. Around where I work at, there's a lot of cow fields and stuff like that, and there's no, I mean, look at this. Look at that. It's like dirt and cow stuff. I want to apologize for the sound, because where I'm at right now is a car wash and there's a lot of loud sounds, and I haven't got a microphone yet. So I apologize for that. Just give me a couple of minutes though, and I'll guarantee you all that dirt and all that cow weird shit is gonna be gone. So I'll see you guys in a second. And we're back. Yeah, sound was messing with my chop for a little bit, but anyways, we're back. That's what I end up with. It's a little bit better than what we walked into in the car wash, but anyways, why did I end up with an SXC and not a Hellcat or a Cat Pack? When I walked into the dealership in December of last year, 2018, I wanted to get a Challenger at first. I wanted to get something a little bit more practical, and then I realized, you know what, a Challenger, if I do get a Challenger, I'm probably going to go for a V8, and it's going to put me back on Hummer territory, which is going to be gas consumption is going to be through the roof or whatever. Because you all know, if you're driving a Challenger, you're not going to be doing 60 miles an hour. At least not the way I drive, though. I mean, I'm not promoting speeding at all, but you know what? You're tempted. But anyway, so walk into the dealership. I realized that if I would have got a Challenger, I would have been back in step one with the Hummer situation. So my stepson, which is my sales guy, and you'll see him on the block later on, he was like, you know what, why didn't you try a Charger? Get the base model, drive it, see if you like it. Anyways, the end of the story was I ended up with that guy right there. Now let me tell you something from somebody that has Hummer, BMW, Mercedes, and all of that good stuff in a family available to lady drive. Comparing this guy with vehicles of that height, Dodge has done a great job improving the ride quality from the last thing I remember. And the last thing I remember as far as driving this guy right here, I believe it was back in 2008, where I had the chance to drive a Charger SRT8 for daily driving. If you know Dodge and you've been driving a Charger since that time till today, maybe you have a different opinion, but hey, it's all I know. I'm just telling you guys what my experience is. And if I'm wrong, go ahead, fill out that comment section. That's why YouTube gave it to us anyway. So anyways, that's just done a great job, and the right quality and gas mileage. I live in the LA area. I drive about probably 50-55 miles a day, a regular daily driving commute back and forward to work, and a full tank lasts me for a while. I've been over a week. Now keep in mind, I'm not gunning it. You know, I'm doing just regular driving. I'm not going crazy 85 an hour back and forward to work and stuff like that. I might do a video later on with more details into this car. Maybe I can get my hands on a 2019 and give you a better idea of what it looks like on the inside. More of a car review. This is not a review in it anyways. If you were looking for that, go ahead and skip my video and go and look for something else. There's plenty of those on YouTube. Anyways, end of the story, to make this quick. Now that I've been driving this SXC for a while, I'm pretty sure that if I go ahead and operate, which I probably will at one point, I won't go with a Challenger. I'm going to stick with a Charger. I don't have any kids. My wife has kids, but they're grown-ups and they don't stay with us, so we don't have to worry about the back seat at all. Scat Pack might be. I might try that just maybe for one day, test drive it, whatever, which is not enough. I know that. But at the end of the story, maybe a Hellcat might be the end of the story with the Charger. I know it's going to put me back into higher gas consumption, and that was the idea of getting something like this in the first place. But at this point, I don't care anymore. It's a nice vehicle. If you want that little extra power, you know it's there. Another option that I thought about after getting this and doing a little bit of research, if you know Dodge and you've been driving one for a while and you like to modify your car in any way, there's a company called RIPP. They do a supercharger for this engine right here. I believe, not sure though, you can quote me on this if you want, but I believe they started working on the Jeep first, and then there's a lot of guys that I met, and now that I'm driving this, I met a couple of guys and they say, hey, they've been working on this engine for a while. So if you keep the SXT and you want to do a supercharger, go ahead, give them a call. The price, I think, is just over $5,000. Installation probably be another $1,000. I don't know. I haven't done my research. But anyways, that might be another option. But I might lean more towards a VA. Scat Pack maybe to try it out, like I mentioned before. But at the end of the day, I'll probably end up with a Hellcat. As far as the Demon goes on the Challenger side, I consider that too later on. But I don't think I don't think a Demon is going to do it for me. If I'm going to go ahead and spend that much money on a car, I think I might save a little bit more money and go for something on the exotic side, though, which I'm a big fan of. You can still get something like that for probably under $100,000. So, anyways, this is it. That's kind of an idea how I ended up with that guy right there. I will do a more detailed video later on one of these guys on the base model. If I can get my hands on one of them, I'm gonna see if the dealership I got mine from is kind enough to at least let me put one on the side on the back of the dealer and do a review. I don't want to do a review on this one because we're already on 2019, so I want to give you more an updated video on that. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like button. If you don't like it, hey, thumbs down, it's right there. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification when I get it. When I do upload a new video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Be safe, don't do anything stupid. And if you do, keep it to yourself. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.